In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete pages or remove some pages on a PDF document. Now, as you can see here, I have this PDF document and it is quite long. If I zoom here, you can see there are 12 pages on this PDF document. Now, if you'd like to go ahead and delete or remove some of these pages, it is pretty much simple. You can do it using a free online tool. For that, go and open any browser and then just type in or search I love PDF, and then it will take you to this website ilovepdf.com. And now once you are here, go ahead and add a / on this website like this. Just go ahead and add a / remove pages just like that, and then go ahead and enter the search. Now once you are on ilovepdf.com website, just go ahead and look for this option called all PDF tools. Now under this, you will see this option called remove pages, and it is represented by an X. So if I go ahead and click on it, it will give us this option to go ahead and add our PDF file. Now, for instance, we want to go ahead and remove some pages from this. For instance, I want to go ahead and remove this page 8. I'll also like to go ahead and remove page 3 and also the last page. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and find out where my PDF file is, and here is my PDF file. To add it here, just go ahead and drag and drop it, and then it will go ahead and show you all the pages that you have. As you can see, it has displayed all the pages that are on this document. Now I'm interested in removing page 2. So to remove any page, just go ahead and click on it, and then it will insert an X. I also want to remove page 6. And finally, I want to remove the last page, which is page 12. An alternative way to select that page is just to put a comma here under page to remove. If you just put a comma and then write the number of the page, then if you click out, you can see it has added an X on that page. Now, once you're done, you can finalize this by just clicking here, remove pages. If I go ahead and click on remove pages, you can see now the process will begin and our document is ready for download. Now go ahead and just download the page, and sometimes it just downloads automatically and you can see it is here. So I have a new document with the same name, but at the end of it, it has the word removed. So if I go ahead and click on this, you can see now instead of 12 pages, it has 9 pages. And indeed, the pages that I wanted removed have been removed from this document. So that's how you can remove pages from any PDF document using ilovepdf free online tool. If this video is helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.